Hello everyone, welcome to McDraft and Strength. Today's session is on how to draw involute of a circle. So before we begin the actual construction of involute curve, let's first understand the theory behind it. So what is involute? In geometry, the involute, it is a special curve. Special curve means what? Just imagine you have a circle and a thread tied to it. So if you start pulling that thread while keeping it tight and after that unwrap it from the circle, the end of the thread will form a special curve, and that special curve is known as the involute of a circle. It's very important in engineering because it's the shape of most gear teeth which helps the machine run smoothly. And also it helps in transmitting the motion without slipping and keep the speed ratio constant. So instead of taking a simple shape like a triangle or a pentagon, I am taking a circle. So the question may ask in exam, like draw an involute of a circle and the diameter is given. Here the 40 mm is the diameter. So let's start our construction. So draw a circle of a diameter 40 mm. Divide that circle into 12 equal parts and mark point P on the circle, the starting point of the involute, the point from which the thread is assumed to unwind. So mark that point as P. Next step, draw a horizontal tangential line to the circle at point P, having its length is equal to the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is what? Pi d. So pi into 40, the calculation is 125.7 mm. So we will take here 126 mm approx. Now divide this line into 12 equal parts. So here I am using the basic geometric method of dividing straight line into equal parts. So for that, draw an inclined line at any convenient angle and divide that line into equal segments. So here I want to divide my tangential line into 12 parts, so I am making 12 equal segments for inclined line. Then join last division point of both the lines and draw the remaining lines parallel to that line. So we get the tangential line divided into 12 equal parts. So next step, draw the tangent to the circle at point 1 to 11. Next, take a distance from 1 dash to P dash, place metal point on 1 and mark point as a P1. Again, take a distance from 2 dash to P dash, place metal point on 2 and mark P2, and repeat the same procedure for remaining points. And the last step, draw a smooth curve through points P dash, P1, P2 up to P11 and P to get the required involute. Hope you like the session. Thank you.